doing here, huh? Tug of war? April Boo. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Will it be Jack? Will it be Herky? Who's gonna win? Oh, Jack's really going in for it. April, stop. Oh no! Oh no! Herky! Herky's got the upper hand. April's holding him down. Oh, wait! Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back for it. Oh! You might want to stand up and get a little leverage there, Jack. Hurry! Oh, can you do it? Can you do it? Oh, no! You won! You won! I don't think he's going to let you win, though. I think he's going to come back for it. Oh, no! He's going to find it. He's going to find it, isn't he? Oh, Herky, your game is over. Oh, he just switched it to something else, didn't he? Oh, tug of war! Tug of war! Oh, washcloths are so much fun. I can't even see the tug of war game anymore. Who won? Who won, Jack? Oh, careful. Who won? You keep that up, he's gonna grab it.